Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to set up your work profile on your Android. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open your settings app. Now once you have opened your settings app, just scroll down a bit until you find this section which says accounts and backup and then Google. Now don't click on accounts and backup because in the latest versions of Android, you can't set up your work profile there. So I'm going to show you the universal way to do this. Go to Google and Google Services, click on it once, and here if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option to set up and restore. Click on Setup and Restore in the bottom. Now, once you click on Setup and Restore, you will find three options, either to restore contacts, to set up a nearby device, and to set up your work profile. So this is exactly what we want. The option to set up your work profile. Click on it once, and then here click on Next in the bottom right. Now it will begin downloading some essential files. So just wait for it a few seconds to be downloaded. And then here you will have the option either to scan the QR code provided by your IT admin or to enter the code manually. That's up to you, you can make the choice. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.